This channel runs on Claude Code, but not the way you think. Yeah, it helps with the scripts, but that's not where the real value is. I record voice notes and they get transcribed automatically. Weekly performance reviews pull from the YouTube API. Every idea I log gets classified and filed. The content schedule updates itself based on keyword data. The scripts are one step. The pipeline around them is everything. Before I built this system, turning an idea into a video took long. Processing, documenting, scripting, recording. Too many steps that didn't talk to each other. So I built a pipeline where each step feeds the next. It actually starts before I sit down to work. If I get an idea on the couch, in the shower, while I'm running, I dump it into Obsidian in seconds with a voice note. It then syncs to my desktop, and Claude Code transcribes and categorizes it automatically, and it's ready for when I need it. From there we have keywords. I import VidIQ data into a keyword database in Obsidian. Volumes, competition scores, trending data. And when I sit down to plan what to record, I'm not guessing. I can see which topics have search demand and which ones are rising. Then the content schedule. Every episode gets prioritized based on keyword momentum, what my audience is asking for and what's in my head that day. Then comes scripting. I don't open Claude Code and say, write me a script. I say YouTube and it loads my keyword data, my performance metrics, my content schedule, and my previous scripts before we even start talking. The system already knows what's working before I say anything. I talked about writing rules in my last episode, 26 rules to make every script sound like me. So I won't go too deep on that here. If you're a creator and this pipeline is resonating with you, hit the like button. It helps me know this is worth continuing. And if you really want to see this built out step by step, let me know in the comments. Then I can consider it for a future video. But going back to what I was saying. After recording, the analytics close the loop. And this is where it gets interesting. I built a CLI tool that pulls YouTube API data every week. Views, watch time, traffic sources, subscriber conversions. And because I use SRT files, so subtitle files from my recordings, I can see exactly at what point in the script drop-offs happened, which sentences lost people. And that makes the YouTube data practical instead of just numbers on a dashboard. I know that long form converts subscribers 10 times better than shorts. Shorts under 35 seconds get pushed hardest by the algorithm. Reframing shorts convert subscribers while educational ones don't. And daily uploads give me so much more data to learn from. That's the real reason I do this format. AI content creation is not about generating content faster. It's about building a system that retains everything you've learned. Every lesson from every video feeds the next one. And that's what makes the output get better instead of staying flat. The generation is the easy part. The system that retains your perspective and your taste, that's the real work. And it's worth building. I can't explain it properly, but it feels like I'm living in a fairy tale. At least that's how it feels right now. But I am curious, what does your content workflow look like right now? Are you using AI for one step or have you started connecting the pieces? Tell me in the comments. If you want to see how my scripting system works, the 26 rules that make every script sound like me, you can subscribe to catch that. In the meanwhile, here's my episode on how Claude Code and Obsidian organize all my work. That's where the system started. This is Afterwork. Subscribe.